Learn how to make money with affiliate marketing. There is an abundance of advice on affiliate marketing. A lot of it comes from people who may be trying to sell you their knowledge, or who claim that for a fee they can bring you success. Thus, many people are skeptical about what they read. In this video we give you free, straightforward, no-nonsense advice on making affiliate marketing work for you. Create a feeling of scarcity. By making your product seem like it's in limited supply, or by making your service appear to go up in price after a certain date, visitors to your site are faced with a time-sensitive dilemma. They are more likely to make a positive decision about your product because they don't want to miss out on a great deal. To find your audience before you even mention your product, create a series of videos. Record a short video of yourself talking about a different topic every week, or about the same topic under different angles. Post them on a popular video hosting website. Once you have enough followers, do a video about the product you are selling. While using affiliate marketing, remember that you want internet users to trust in you. If you use an ad for a product or company that you don't have faith in, your customers will not have faith in it, or you, either. Too many ads, or ads that are not relevant to your content, will seem suspicious, and visitors will end up not trusting what you have to say. Be honest in your advertising as an affiliate. We all have the urge to talk things up and to let colorful rhetoric do the selling, but that's really old hat on the internet. Most people are aware of fluff pieces, and what they're seeking today is honest information about how a product is good for them. Be honest and you will do much better. With iTunes' popularity and a large percentage of internet users listening to audio files for information, recording a podcast as an affiliate marketer is a solid way to increase your sales numbers. Hearing you speak will build more trust than simply watching your words, so do not take this tip lightly. Nobody likes to feel as though they are being spammed. Disclose your affiliations upfront and your visitors will appreciate the fact that you are an honest person. They will feel much better about contributing to your money-making ventures. If a reader feels as though you are being deceitful in any way, there is a great chance that they will leave your site and never return. To maximize the money you make from your affiliate marketing program, you need to make sure you are dealing with a reputable company. Do some research online to see what others have said about them and if they treat customers right. Find out if there is a consistent problem with them paying what they owe. In conclusion, you do not want to waste your time watching tips from supposed experts or regular people that have no experience. Try to be diligent in your efforts to execute this advice, and you will see an improvement in your program. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.